Second video for Stephen Stahlhut on Armwood Drive. This is the back slope. We're attempting to do another repair with the GF Timberline HDZ shingle. Always want to make sure to clean our debris. Make sure we have no obstructions coming back in. Pull any extra nails and stick it up. Try and get it flat before we put the new shingle in. Something obstructing. It's over here. Flat. Should get us in the door. Still got something there. In there like swimwear. Everybody's flat. Guess at least 4 in here. I wouldn't want to short nail them. Get there. One in this one. Come on this side if you can. Just to get the color variance as much as you can without shadow. As you can see, the GAF Timberline HDZ charcoal is not a uniform match for Mr. Stahlhut. So I think this concludes the video of the back slope. Thank you very much.